All right, we are moving right along. Time check for us, 6:26 p.m. All right. Now, this may be crude. I may be going a little fast. I may not be doing a fantastic job. I'll obviously be able to make better ones over time. I just want to prove the fact that you can get this up and running while still providing high value in a very short amount of time. A lot of people hold themselves up because they think they got to overthink, they got to plan. It's the lighting's got to be right, the equipment's got to be right. I think I watched one of these videos, the audio and video is not really matching up. Whatever. Get it out there, get the reps in, get some feedback, and improve. Okay, that's my rant. But I'll keep checking in just so you know exactly where we're at. I want to be transparent and do what I say and keep my promises, which we'll get to in a later slide. All right, so lesson 4. Now that we have our avatar, Goggins, course creator Corey, Fish and Boat Frank, okay, you know exactly who they are, where they're at, who they're congregating with, what kind of social media they're on, how you can get in front of them. Now you have to figure out what specific problem can you solve for this audience, okay? You need to get inside of their head. Like we talked about earlier, the better you know the person, the more you can get inside their brain. And again, like we said, it helps if you are the avatar or you were the avatar. But it's not a prerequisite, but it definitely helps. Okay? So think of your avatar. What is keeping them up at night? What questions do they have? What problems are eating at them that they would pay any amount of money to solve? Okay, think about that. Think that through. And you'll see this is why it's important, like we just mentioned, that you either are or were your avatar so you can really understand it. But if not, no big deal. You can go do some market research and talk to customers. Talking to customers and potential prospects is always a viable solution. So, on that note, and here's why we want to get ultra specific for the right person at the right time with the right problem, okay? Because, as you hear all the time, the riches are in the niches. But it was absolutely true. I heard this in a couple books. Hormozy talks about it in a couple ways. Here's just a quick general example for you. But say you made a course, sales training course. It's pretty general. You can probably sell it for $19, whatever. I mean, I'm just making this up to give you an idea. All right. But then, if you sell outside sales training, all right, that's a little more specific. $29. That makes sense. That's for me. All right. Outside medical sales training. Oh, that's kind of narrowed down. It's in the niche, but it's still pretty general there. Outside medical sales training for med device territory managers. Oh, now we're getting pretty serious. Now that people are starting to put their hand up. That's me. Okay, $4.99 you can charge for that. Meanwhile, this is all similar content, but just hyper specific and highly targeted for the right avatar, the right person. Okay. Outside medical sales training for orthopedic surgery device territory managers. Now, I might have just been making that up, but it paints the picture. You get exactly what I'm talking about. $29.99. You can charge a boatload for it because it's so hyper specific. Okay. For example, what I'm doing here, I'm creating courses. I'm helping content creators build, market, and sell their first online course, and then some. But it's I'm a course creator, or I'm a content creator looking to build and market and sell my course. I mean, that's pretty narrow. I might even be able to get more narrow. All right, but I'm just giving you the idea. This course specifically is how you can build your first online course in less than 24 hours. I mean, that's pretty specific, okay? And only a certain type of person will watch this course, but it will make sure that they get the right info from it. Stuff is tailored to that exact avatar, okay? Across this whole course, I'm practicing what I preach. I'm using the same strategies that I'm teaching here. Okay? All right, moving along.